Congratulations! You're about to enjoy your new VIZIO M-Series Smart TV. This video walks you through the unboxing process for the M7 Series TVs. Before we begin, we recommend having a friend help you through these steps. Let's get started. First, with the box upright, use scissors or a box cutter to cut the straps around the box. Next, lift the outer box and place it to the side. Leave the TV in the box tray with the outer foam on. Locate and remove the quick start guide. Then remove the TV legs and the accessories box you'll find in the foam packaging. Your TV comes with dual-purpose stands, 4 screws, a detachable power cable, a full-featured Bluetooth push-to-talk voice control remote with batteries, a quick start guide, and lastly, the cable organizing clips. Next, remove the top foam as well as the side foam. The TV will be sitting upright in the box tray. You'll see the TV is in a protective bag. If the bag has handles, use the handles on the bag to lift the TV out of the box tray. Please do this with 2 people. Remove the TV from the bag. Be sure to keep the screen protector on while removing the TV from the bag. Remove foam strips from screen protector. Now, gently lay the TV on a clean, padded surface. It's a good idea to measure your furniture prior to assembly to make sure it will accommodate the span between the TV's legs. Use the provided screws to attach the dual-purpose stands to the TV. Don't forget to check out our additional support video on how to use our dual-purpose stands featured in this TV model. When the feet are secure, have someone help you lift the TV up into position. Hold the TV by the frame as you lift and be sure not to pinch the screen. Now, remove the screen protector. With your TV in place, connect the detachable power cable. Once you plug the cable into an outlet, you should see your TV turn itself on. Next, put the included batteries in the remote. Now, all you need to do is follow the on-screen instructions to set up your TV. All right, now you can connect to the internet and begin watching your favorite movies, shows, and videos. Don't forget to take advantage of VIZIO's remote with push-to-talk functionality that allows you to click and speak directly into the remote. Just press the microphone icon on the remote and use your voice to find the content you love.
Take a moment to register your VIZIO TV. You'll get easy access to support and warranty info, in addition to exclusive offers and the latest VIZIO updates.